Not everybody who goes to the gym, who picks up a weight or exercises, is looking to be a bodybuilder in the stereotypical sense of the term, but that doesn't mean we can't all benefit from building a better body. When I talk about bodybuilding, I'm not talking about the competitive, the extreme end, which is what I used to do years and years ago. No, what I'm talking about is the principles of bodybuilding, where we're building more muscle, an aesthetic body, having lower body fat, and generally having more confidence in both ourselves and also when we interact with people, because we feel good about ourselves, that we've created this nice body that we can look at, where we've got a strong body, we've got a better cardiovascular system, we have better sleep, more confidence, like I just said, and also better sex when you can get it, because of the increased blood flow and endurance that training with weights and working out and doing any form of exercise also brings. Now, who wouldn't want a better body? Who wouldn't want to build a better body when you've got all those benefits? And the problem is when people talk about bodybuilding, it's always, I get as big as possible, I get massive as possible. The problem is when you neglect the side of keeping the body fat low, then what you've got is you've still got all the obesity issues. And it doesn't matter if you are hugely muscled and you've still got a load of body fat, you're still obese and you're still going to get some of those health implications associated with obesity, such as fatty liver, such as heart disease, such as increased blood pressure, which can impact your internal organs. So the principles of bodybuilding, which is what I teach with all my clients and the people who I work with, is that we want to, yes, build more muscle. That's important. And going into later life, going into sort of when you're 60, 70, having more muscle will give you a longer lifespan, but also having lower body fat, eating healthier, having more confidence, and all the other things I said before. So although many people don't want to be a bodybuilder, we can all benefit from building a better body and having all those benefits. And the root cause of that is going to be training with weights as a start and eating healthier.